Every year, Apple raises expectations, and the big question this time is simple: is this the most powerful iPhone ever made? This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's biggest, most premium, and most advanced iPhone to date. It's designed for users who want the best display, the best cameras, and the strongest performance Apple can offer. At first glance, the design feels familiar but more refined. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a titanium frame, slimmer bezels, and a solid premium feel in hand. It looks clean, elegant, and unmistakably Apple. Despite its large size, the phone feels well balanced and comfortable for daily use. The display is one of the biggest highlights. You get a massive ProMotion OLED panel with ultra-smooth scrolling, incredible brightness, and excellent color accuracy. Watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media feels immersive and fluid. Outdoor visibility is strong, and HDR content looks stunning. Performance is where the iPhone 17 Pro Max really shines. Powered by Apple's latest A-series chip, this phone delivers insane speed and efficiency. Apps open instantly, multitasking is effortless, and heavy games run smoothly without heating or lag. This is flagship performance at its peak. Camera upgrades are another major focus. The triple camera system offers improved low-light performance, sharper detail, and enhanced telephoto zoom. Video recording is next level, with cinematic stabilization and professional quality results. Whether it's photos or videos, this phone consistently delivers reliable output. Battery life has also improved this year. Thanks to a larger battery and better chip efficiency, the iPhone 17 Pro Max easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Streaming, gaming, camera usage, and social media don't drain it quickly. Fast charging and MagSafe support make daily charging convenient. New AI-powered features improve photography, productivity, and everyday tasks. Apple's long-term software support ensures this phone will stay fast, secure, and relevant for many years to come. Of course, the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a premium price tag. It's not for everyone. But if you want the best display, top-tier cameras, unmatched performance, and deep ecosystem integration, this phone delivers on all fronts. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade, it's Apple at full power. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Lens, and stay tuned for more smart tech simplified.